Hello guys, this is my day 1 vlog in our home, and this is my vlog watch. What I do for our neighbor washing robes, and this is my job since I was a kid, and this is my sideline now while I'm schooling and studying. Boom, 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 bang, bang, yeah. Then I take a shower and then I change clothes so I could smell good. How to change clothes? Oh? Yeah. Yeah. So pogi. That's so good. And then I saw my neighborhood playing ML and I watched them closely and watch. I'm bored. I playing Shadow Boxing. Yeah. Then I saw my little cat in our house seeing each other. It's playing. And so guys, this is my day 1 vlog and goodbye. See you day 2. Bye. So hello guys, this is my day 2. It's Sunday and I go to church to bless the God and to guys. And I go home to my house. I go home lang. And I'm busy of washing lamesa and I brushing and that's my work every Sunday to wash my lamesa or chair. And the next is I brush the chair. The lamesa is already done and the chair is so dirty and I work that because he dirty. And the next I take a bath because I'm dirty and that's all. And this is my little vlog and that's all. Bye because I'm drunk in that time. Bye. See you day 3. Hello guys, this is my day 3. This is my day 3 vlog and watch my vlog.
Dapat kayo mga kangat ko.
Niya po na ka? Wala ba ka ondre?
Ay, kauli na ka ba? Dili ko sa kaya?
Ayaw ra.
Dili ko na yun.
So, gano'n naman ang kasod.
Dili, pagpupot ko kayo. Dili ah.
And the next, I'm go home na and that's all. Thank you and bye. Mwah. Hello guys, this is day 4 vlog and watch. I clean my house because so many cupboards and dirty, and I clean the stairs and oh my god, camera putih guli-guli. And this is that time because the next is I take a bath that I'm boring. I play basketball at night. I'm so sweat and happy because I'm also already tired. I'm tired. That's my day 4 vlog. Bye. Thank you. So guys, this is my day 5 vlog in our house. And I poop my pet. My God, this is named Maui. Name is Maui. And so, because I'm busy, because I study for the preparing oral recitation for the cream 2. Shout out Sir Nelo. Thank you for your advice me because I study hard, and thank you. And that's then I board and I work out planking exercise. Planking. And that's all, and thank you, and this is my and bye. Mwah. So hello guys, this is my day 6 vlog for contemporary, and in watch how to pico my habol, and watch my mini vlog. Then I poop my favorite dog name is Maui, and I poop her in outside my house. And the next is I'm preparing for a laundry, go to laundry, and I wash her my dirty clothes. Then I'm boring, I wash dishes in my home because so many dishes na, and watch my how to wash. Hello guys, this is my day 6 in last day 6 in bye. Thank you Moa. This is day 7 in the last day and watch.
How it feels, so this is love.
And I'm Bumbada one because I washing clothes and then I clean my house because it's so alikabok or dirty, and watch how to clean guys. Then I'm boring and I shadow boxing in my room. And the next is I mop the tiles because it's so dirty, and watch how to mop. Guys, it's a last day and bye. Goodbye guys and thank you, bye and more. Yeah.